Good morning. It is day 9. We are making it slowly but surely.
We spent the night in Panama City with a warm shower host. That was our first warm shower host experience. It was a lot of fun. Jan was a great host.
Yeah, yesterday we had, I told Randy that the wind calmed down, and as soon as we started again, it came right back up, and we were pushing 25-mile-an-hour winds straight into our face.
So he's not allowed to say that ever again.
Keep quiet about it. Right now it's calm, so hopefully it stays that way.
Yeah, and it's beautiful here by the water.
Yep. Gonna be running along the water pretty much from here until New Orleans, I think. We'll kind of hug the coast. We're not officially on the Southern Tier Trail. We just dropped down here to run along the water. So we got 55 miles today to Destin. From Panama City to Destin is where we're headed today. So we'll take you along the coastline. We made it to the top of the bridge here. Beautiful view up here this morning. Just chilling on the side of the bridge here, taking a little break. (9:45). We are at Santa Monica. It's not California, but we're heading that way. Shedding a few more clothes here alongside the road. We got a road closure up ahead because of the hurricane yet, so we have to veer up north farther than we wanted to. Have to get off the coast for a little bit, but it's been a good day. Nice riding here along the coast, that's for sure.
ride along the beach. Got a nice lane, nice weather. There's no wind today, or at least not a lot. Down here by the beach, it's flat. Enjoying today.